Hape.
Food and cooking are one of the emotional bonds among family or friends. But kids are too young to participate in real cooking. Hape's kitchen and food range brings hours of cooking fun to kids and promotes a healthy lifestyle. Made with sustainable materials, our toys are perfect for kids of any age to play with food without making a mess of the kitchen. Toddlers aged 18 months are quickly attracted by bright things. Multicolored play food and utensils from Hape will enrich the hands-on play. Kids can practice recognizing, sorting, and grouping, as well as pop the peas from the pod, peel the banana, and many more. The miniature kitchen sets prepare them to use the real thing. Plus, cuddly fabrics and chunky design are friendly for small hands to promote fine motor skills and sensory development. The lightweight storage bag is easy for carrying around. When children grow up, they get eager to imitate and express. Hape's kitchen and food toys for 3 years and up will nourish their hungry imagination, busy with trimming, chopping, frying, and serving. Your little chef gets engaged in roleplay while developing social and emotional skills and language skills. With kitchen or shop sets, kids will act as a chef, shopkeeper, or customer. Realistically sized and designed props help introduce the real world around them.
Hape.